2012 Acura TL. Very good condition. Dual exhaust, chrome tip exhaust pipes, tinted windows. Well kept black leather interior. OE Acura carpeted floor mats. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Memory driver's seat. Power adjustable driver's seat. Wood grain trim throughout. Premium audio system with six disc changer and subwoofer. Free 90-day trial of Sirius XM satellite radio. Hands-free Bluetooth, cruise control, traction control. Automatic headlights. Just over 127,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come by and see us. Won't last long. 80 cars.